Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to see Unit 1 from third term of third class. So let's begin. Hi guys. Today we are going to read the lesson The Coconut Grove. Inia was a little girl with big brown eyes. She lived with her parents in a beautiful coconut grove next to a small blue lake. She helped her parents by the lake, went to school, and then spent time with them only to wake up next day. Each day, she balanced a big empty basket on her head as she walked down to the lake. Her mother followed with the laundry, and her father brought the big fishing net. Her mother washed the clothes on a stone next to the lake, while her father went fishing. He dragged the net to the shore and they collected the fish in a big basket. Sometimes a turtle got stuck in the net, but Inia always hurried to save it. One sunny morning, while fishing with her father, Inia said,
"Pa, if we get so many fish, what if one day there is no fish left?"
Her mother laughed and sent her off to the school. Under the shade of the trees, Inia's mother fell into uneasy sleep. She dreamt of a lake with no fish. In her dream, every day the father returned from the lake with no fish, and the family could not support itself. The wind then said, "The water and the land have always taken care of your family, so you have to take care of them in return." She woke up with tears in her eyes. She didn't know how to bring up Inia without selling enough fish. All afternoon, she sat weaving coconut mats and thinking about her dream. That night, Inia heard her parents whisper as the oil lamp burned deep into the night. The next morning, her father gave her a small basket.
"How can we carry all the fish in this basket?"
Inia asked.
"We will only take as many fish as will fit inside this basket,"
He replied. When she came back from school, she was happy to find her mother making soap and oil from the coconuts. Inia swiftly climbed up a tree to get more coconuts, but her mother said,
"Don't pluck them. We must only use what the tree gives us."
Her father said,
"We have taken only fallen coconuts for making these things. Look, we have even made this soap with jasmine flower inside."
Inia learned a lot about gardening and arts at school. When Inia grew older, she made coconut fiber packs that can be used to pot plants, and she also loved to carve coconuts. She made many toys and idols with fallen coconuts. Her favorite was to carve tiny turtles out of coconut shells. She always wore one around her neck. So guys, I hope you love the video. Please subscribe, comment and like and share. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video. Bye.